The automatic core leaching and shell removing production line includes a robot automatic alkali preparation system, automatic transmission and grabbing of the basket, core leaching autoclave and cleaning. First, the robot alkali preparation system performs the task of preparing alkali solution. Then the truss robot lifts up and transfers the parts basket. The truss robot system is a lifting up device based on an intelligent truss manipulator, which performs grabbing, loosening, and XYZ three-dimensional handling movements. It avoids any false operation caused by human labor, and makes sure the smooth and safe transfer of the basket. The truss robot places the parts basket in the kettle, closes the kettle door, and the system starts heating and pressurizing to perform the core removal process. The shell and core leaching kettle body has a quick opening door structure, and is equipped with a safety interlocking protection device. The kettle door switch is in place and the signal is associated with the truss robot. Only when the kettle door is fully opened, the truss robot can perform next movement. After the leaching is finished, the door opens and robot takes the basket out. The core leaching autoclave is equipped with a control execution menu and a touch display screen. The home page of the display screen has all valves, motors, liquid levels and other indication signals, ensuring that the operator can clearly know the status of the shelling and core removal of the casting in the kettle body. Then it enters the cleaning steps. The cleaning tank can choose hot and cold water mode and is equipped with ultrasonic cleaning function. Both the cold water tank and the hot water tank have pneumatic stirring function, and also are equipped with automatic air inlet valves. The truss manipulator can also perform lifting and pulling actions according to needs, and the bottom can be flushed when high pressure water is passed, effectively cleaning the debris at the bottom of the box body. This step can be performed in a fixed order, or it can be adjusted or skipped according to process requirements. Finally, the truss robot puts the parts basket back to the discharge area, waiting for the next step. FUGE has been committed to improving the automation of industrial equipment in the production and manufacturing process, can fully realize the traceability of products and the controllability of the production process. Follow us to keep abreast of new developments in traditional technologies.